Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today is a renovation video because the last one I posted was like 3 months ago, so let's get right into it. The vehicle that I will be renovating is a minivan type of car. It has a lot of problems such as this jumper plates, this green brick, and also has many different miscolored parts. The back opens up, and the interior is actually a little worse than the exterior. It has yellow seats, a random color piece, and a steering wheel that does not match the car. The back of the inside has a Mega Bloks piece, and the last thing I'm going to be saying about it is that it has 2 different colored lights. The first thing I'm going to be doing is removing the green brick and changing the jumper plates. It already looks better. Now I'm going to be changing the headlights to a clear white color, and then I'm going to be changing the steering wheel to a gray color. And just like that, I'm done with the front. Now it's time to help out the back of the car, so I'm changing all the red pieces to a dark gray pieces. I am putting in the seats and then I'm placing a minifigure inside. I want to do something different with this car, so what I'm doing is going to be placing seats in the back of the car also. Then I'm placing a 2x2 brick right there and placing 3 1x4 tiles in the back. Now I'm going to be placing on the walls and going to place a roof on top. Instead of having a studded surface on top of the roof, I'm going to place tiles. On the left is the before and on the right is the after. It didn't change too much, but I think those little changes helped it a lot. I'm going to be doing more than one in this video. And the second one is bedroom. It has a bed I don't like and a lamp that does not look too good. What I'm going to be doing is removing the lamp and the bed, and I'm going to be changing the bottom of the wall to a gray color. I want to create this bedroom into a Japanese modern style. That's where you'll see me building a modern Japanese bed. And I'm also going to be building 2 modern lamps. I didn't change the flooring inside the bedroom because I thought it complements the modern design. That's the finished result, and I think it turned out way better than before. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.